Right, this is day 10 and 11 of Jollier January raffle draw. Yeah, I got Zuli Olaf and Rocket Olaf. And behind him is the band.
Robin.
The what?
Raffle Robin.
Drawbin. Okay, got it. And we are joined today by Taylor Carpenter, Tania Orlando, Casey Yamashiro, Deborah Malcolm, Nicole Bonifant, Madeline Berg, Katie O'Hanlon, Kathy Romo, Cindy Llewellyn, Isabel Donwen, Pauline Robery, Linda Daybell, Stormy Capucho, Aurelie Barron, and Diana Wallace. And now, let us shift our camera and let's do the raffle draw. And we're going to find out what they're going to win. Let's do this. Hello. So, kids, what are they going to win?
Me.
Okay, pick one. Let's show them what they're going to win. Pick one. Okay. We are giving away 3 special treatment coupons for their entire order. 3 of them. And the other one is $100 splurge card.
Money.
All right, let's come back here now.
Excuse me.
Excitement galore. All right, let's come back here. Come, Zuba.
Where's Najatan?
Huh? Come here, sit down.
Where's Najatan? Where's Najatan?
Zuli, please. Come here. What are you doing? Come by.
I'm back.
There you go. All right. So
Sorry.
it's okay. All right. We have lots of names to roll up. Okay. Here is the... All right, sit down. Sit down. Come on, guys, sit down so we can get started. Sit. Okay, Zuli.
I'm upside down.
I know, you're...
Who's going?
Here, pick the price. Let's pick the price for this one. Here, Rocket, pick the price. Which one?
Who's that? I got it.
Okay.
Special treatment for the entire order.
Yeah, special treatment for the entire order.
Yeah.
Whoa, we got some sneaking snowmen out here. Zuli,
Come on.
come back here so you can pick a prize.
Pick the winner.
The prize winner. All right, sit down.
Go.
You pick one. Pick one.
Let me.
Who's gonna win?
Yes.
It is... Stay here. Congratulations, Diana Wallace. You get a special treatment coupon for your entire order. Congratulations! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right, come back. Come back, come back, come back. Come back around. We're gonna. All right. All right, sit down, please.
Come, let's sit down.
Sit down. We can't move on if you guys are not seated. Okay. Rocket. Now you're gonna. Yeah, take the prize. All right. Yeah, we do special treatment for the entire order. Draw. Okay, sit here. Stay here. Julie, stay here. All right, let's. Julie, stay here. Keep losing you. Okay, pick a winner. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Stay here, okay?
Nicole Bonifant.
All right, congratulations, Nicole. You win the special treatment for the entire order coupon. Dun, 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 dun. Stay here. We can't see Kuya. We can't see Kuya dance. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
But it's not over yet.
It's not over yet. We got 2 more draws. Yeah, yeah. All right, who's gonna win? What are we gonna win?
Another special
All right.
treatment.
Yeah, we got the 3rd special treatment for the entire order coupon. Yes. You want to pick the winner? All right. Pick the winner, please, Julie. Who's gonna win this coupon? Boom, 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 boom. Pick one. Which one? Which one? This one or this one?
This one.
That one. Okay.
And then you water it.
Cindy Llewellyn wins this coupon.
Yay!
Show the name. Show the name.
Yeah!
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Stay behind here. Can't see you.
Go back.
Come back here. Come back. Come back here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. We can't see you guys. Stay out here.
I'm only
Dun, dun,
going
dun,
here
dun.
so my head doesn't disappear.
Dun, 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 dun. All right. We are on our last winner, and that means it's for the $100 splurge card.
$100.
Yeah, and now it's gonna be my turn.
What? Daddy card.
Yeah, stay here, Julie. Come back here. They've seen a lot of your face today. All right, stay here, okay? No more going up close. Julie, come here. Stay here. All right, that's a good girl. All right, who is going to win? Who is gonna win the $100 splurge card? It's Stormy Capucho!
Store! It's a store! It's a store!
A store. Come here! Come here, Julie! They can't see anyone! Stay here! Stay here! They can't see you! Come here! Come here! Okay, everyone stays behind here, okay? Stormy, you win the $100 splurge card. Congratulations!
Yay!
Oh, oh, bum, 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 bum. Chicka, chick, chicka, chick. Bum, 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 bum. Stay here. Stay here. Dun, 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 dun. Chicka, chick, dun, 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 dun. Congratulations to our winners. That's day 10 and 11 combined. Thank you guys for joining us for Jollier January this month. Say bye-bye, kids.
Bye.
Congratulations.
Let's dance.
Let's dance. Staying here, okay? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Go behind here. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Wait, we need to let Daddy show.
Okay, bye-bye.